You low-key think life is easy until one part of your body is not working. To my channel. I'm so excited to be doing this. Like, it feels so good to be back here. Well, yeah, I took a few days break, but anyways, welcome to my channel. And if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're returning a regular dagula, as Michali says, welcome back, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. So today it is Monday. Now I received a package from Bernini, so we're just gonna open that with you guys. And as you saw, I bought groceries, so I'm just gonna like show you quickly what I bought, because at this point I have a challenge. I have an out of position knee, not really broken, thank God. It's just out of position, so my trips, like traveling, it's limited. Like, I realized I can't go to the mall and be doing groceries, so I decided to buy groceries via 6060 app from Checkers. Which I really love, I really appreciate. So now I'm just gonna take you guys with and open the Bernini package. It's around 12 now, and I think I'm getting hungry. I need to like make something to eat, but I'm like, no, it is time for me to eat. That's why I'm so hungry, because I've been intermittent fasting for like few days now, like 2 weeks I think. So now I'm shook, like I'm really hungry. So it's time for me to eat, but what are we gonna eat? So this is the package that we got from Bernini. Let me move you guys closer. The closer I get to you, the more you make me feel. This is the girl for me. So excited. and this beautiful candle, like, it is so pretty. It smells amazing. What am I doing? You all can smell it. Love it. Love, love, love. I am most definitely gonna blow this now, like, definitely. Just want to send out a big shout out to Bernini for sponsoring this part of the video. Finally! I know it is I know it is Monday and it's really not that late. It's like around 1-ish, but I mean, I was creating content so I can drink it, right? I can, because I'm not gonna put it back into the bottle. I am literally drinking on an empty stomach, but we need to drink this. I'm not gonna allow alcohol to go to waste, darling. I'm hungry now, so I want to make food. So I decided I should just do remove the groceries from the bags somewhere so that I'll be able to make food. It's an entire man's bag there. I'm just gonna run through this quickly because I feel like this is gonna be so long because it's a lot of things, right? So I bought brown tortillas, bread, I'm not really a coffee person and I'm not supposed to be drinking coffee due to medical whatever reasons, but I just want to try it out. You know, sometimes you just wake up craving coffee, so I was like, we should just have it just in case. That's why I didn't buy anything fancy. I just bought the classic one. And then we got some bacon and cucumber. If you know me, you know that I believe in avocados more than I believe in my dreams. Low-key think life is easy until one part of your body is not working. But I'm resting my foot on the dashboard because it's so painful. I need to elevate it all the time. The struggle I have to go through just to like bath, you know, like move from one place to another, go to the bathroom, make myself food, because also I'm trying to not depend on other people like all the time. I want to like do everything for myself, you know, do as little as I can. Going to the bathroom, getting dressed, like I feel like right now it's just gonna be me and sweaters, and it's just so sad because it's winter, you know, like you want to wear something warm, but the struggle of having to get the trouser or track pant or whatever through that cast, it's just crazy. Whenever I'm walking around, my shoulders hurts because I need to use crunches. They hurt so bad, and now I feel like one leg is getting in the work and the other one isn't. So the other one is gonna be fit, and it's crazy. My dad is calling me. I need to answer. Okay, sharp. Apart from everything, the fact that I'm sick but I take medication, this is my favorite part, right? Like this is literally my favorite part. Sitting here watching TV. I love it here. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm from the stores. I got myself flowers. They're so pretty. How pretty. I know, right? They're so pretty. Oh, guys, FYI, I bought myself these flowers. Please. I don't want to hear stories. So yeah, I'm gonna create content. Oh, okay, that's better. I'm creating content, Bernini content. They sent me another package, a Bernini Ember, this time in celebration of Friday. So at Bernini we have like Bernini Frizzante Friday. Yes, doll, they sent me a 6-pack of Bernini Ember with a glass. So excited. So I decided to buy these flowers, you know. Like, I've always wanted to spoil myself with something, right? Like, I've always wanted to do that. So I was like, okay, this is like a great opportunity for me to do so that like I can get flowers that I can use to create content and also keep, because I feel like I deserve flowers. I had such an overwhelming week. It was such an overwhelming week. But yeah, so these are the flowers that we got. I just finished doling myself up, and let's go create content. I'm trying to go for the spring summer ready thing. That's why I'm wearing this dress that I got from Mr. And it says hey Glow Getter, happy Frizzante Friday. Like I told you, we have Frizzante Fridays in at Bernini. And it has this black Bernini thingy now. Remember the first one, it was a bit whitish, pinkish. And there we go, we have Ember, 6 of them, and the glass. Let me unbox this quickly, take a reel, and continue creating content. We have an entire studio here. Studio thing going on here, like, wait. I am literally crossing fingers for this campaign, like literally crossing fingers, and I hope it goes well. You know the vibe. I cannot believe that it took me an hour to create a 15-second video. I'm sitting on Classic because Classic got here last week, so it was in the fridge, and then the Ember I just put it in the fridge. Just gonna sit here now, edit the reel, post it on Instagram. If I decide that I'm not going anywhere, I'm gonna take off this makeup and the hair, put on some pajamas, and order myself some food. Like because I'm always ready on time. I don't have to wear a wig, ironing a wig or whatever. But anyways, today we are getting vaccinated. I'm going with my sister. I'm currently waiting for her. She said she is 5 minutes away. So yeah. So I just got back home from getting my vaccine. I had lunch already because I was starving, right? And I was starting to feel a bit dizzy. So I just didn't want after effects or whatever. I passed by Discount, bought a few things, just toiletries. I bought 2 of these. Like, if you know me, and cocoa butter, Nivea, yes. I'm gonna try this Portia M toner because okay, let's do this. I do not have a toner as yet, and I think my skin need a bit of toning, so I got myself a toner. Ooh, I need to close that blind. And Vaseline, cocoa butter, you know the vibe.